Good morning, traders. Hope everyone is well rested. It's 6:55 a.m. on Wednesday, and we're going to start out looking at the world markets. Marginally, we're lower all across the board. Now, we do have some good news out of China, which is making some of the Asian stocks move up. Highlighted chart of the day is the China Shanghai 50. We've had a nice little drop here. But we look, if we could hold above this 1575 area, we could potentially move back up and maybe test the 1625, and other countries could lead the way. On the economic calendar, starting with France, we had CPI come out, and there was a month-over-month increase to 0.2%. Year-over-year is unchanged. The main problem in Europe right now is the weak demand is restricting the suppliers from passing down the higher cost to the consumers. Next, we have the UK unemployment report. Jobless claims rose to 10,100. Policymakers are calling for more stimulus, but the unemployment rate actually ticked down 0.1 to 7.8%. So they are noting this as a positive thing. As you can see on the chart, we have the unemployment rate moving down to the lowest level in over a year. A lot of that had to do with the jobs created by the Olympics, but it's still a good thing. And now the BOE's eyeing the 7.5% target. European Union industrial production put out its number today, and it faltered vastly, dropping to negative 2.5%. Year over year came in 0.6% under the prior and 0.2% under the consensus. The chart indicates that we are at the lowest level since July of 2010. Portugal had the worst information that come out in this report. On the U.S. economic forefront, we have the producer price index released at 8:30 a.m. Consensus is coming in at negative 0.2% to positive 0.04%. At 8:30 a.m. we also have the retail sales. Now, this is the monthly report. This is the one you really need to watch, not the one that comes out every Tuesday. Prior month over month change was 1.1%. Consensus is negative 0.1%. So if we come in anywhere around this, it would be noted as a positive. The last 2 months came in right around the same level of 1.1 and 1.2%. Moving down to the chart here, we have retail sales and retail sales excluding auto here in the yellow, which pretty much move in tandem, but they are continuing to head up, and that's a good note right there. We're going to try to test the 1.5% coming up in the next 2 months. Going into Q1, it should be possible. It always gets strong around this time of year. And then at 2 p.m. we have the FOMC minutes. Ben Bernanke could be targeting an unemployment rate goal, which would stop the quantitative easing. That's what we're looking for today. Before the bell, we have Abercrombie & Fitch reporting. Consensus is 0.60. That would be an increase of 0.3 on the earnings compared to a year ago. Staples reported beat by 1 cent. Tyco missed on earnings. After the close, we have Dry Ships, NetApp, NetEase, PetSmart, Williams-Sonoma, and Yoku. Those are the main ones we're watching. Quick check on futures. We have the stock market indexes leading us up in the green. Nasdaq's the strongest, up 16 points, 0.65%. Then we have the Dow up 55 points, S&P up 6.5 points, Russell up 3.90. Gold's edging down now. We had some selling pressure coming yesterday, down 2.40. Crude oil is holding the $85 level. That makes me wonder, are we going to get that move back up to 89? Silver down a little, dollars down, euro continued upside after yesterday's bottoming out pressure on the dollar. That could cause more upside that I noted yesterday for the U.S. stock market indexes. Natural gas down, bonds down. That's it. Good luck trading.